Thanks for giving us an opportunity to review elements of Capgemini's TPPM Data Analytics and Data Cleansing project. In this video, we'll focus on just the critical steps of our proposed approach. The table used in our demo is from the Federal Advisory Committee data for the last 3 years. We replicated this table 3 times and mangled up column names to show features of our approach. We did this by replacing the original data with misspellings, contractions, and similar impurities in each table. In the first step, called schema mapping, we will create a union of column header text from the various tables. We cluster and match columns to a master based on various strategies. We try to match by value distributions for leftover columns. Here, we show how AI places text in space so text with the most similar meanings are closest together. We can see this representation using a special projector that shows the text with similar meanings in distinct clumps shown in easy-to-understand 2D or 3D space. Pulling back to the broader process, we can use similarity measures, like the one we just showed, to match a column in one table to the closest matches in other tables. We can inspect the confidence levels of the matches and columns values to connect columns. Next, we turn to mastering value lists in the matched columns by creating a union of their value lists. In this part, we demonstrate use of OpenRefine to master and map the value lists. After we load the union into OpenRefine, we can clearly see the messy but possibly identical entity names. We can see different clustering mechanisms. With alternative matching criteria. Merging and reclusterings. We will continue to merge interactively based on intuition until we finish the mapping exercise. Changing methods and sensitivities on the fly. Option to audit, undo, and redo to facilitate iterative exercise before saving the data. Here we show you comparison of original versus master data. We at Capgemini would like to thank Morgan for giving an opportunity to propose a TPPM solution. We tried to give a flavor by showing a few critical steps of many steps that will be involved in addressing the need here. Our plan is to facilitate many analytics steps and some parts of cleansing through API calls and custom UI, and users will have highly granular controls over options to select and merge.